Hi guys, ang ituro ko naman sa inyo isang way paano malaman ang violation natin guys. Punta tayo sa Facebook guys. Tapos sa menu, click natin guys. Tapos sa see dashboard. Tapos creator support. And then content and audience stalls. And content standard. Click natin yun guys. Yan, your content was removed. Click natin yun guys. Tapos yan, click natin yung tatlong guhit. Tapos punta tayo sa support inbox, click natin yun guys, yung support inbox. And then yan, click natin yung report about others guys. Yan, wala tayong reports, wala tayong internal report. Tapos your alert, yan guys, wala tayong violation. Kung may violation kayo guys, may makikita nyo dyan guys. Yan na guys yung paano, isang way na paano makita yung violation natin guys. Kaya ingatan natin yung page natin na magkaroon ng violation. Kaya guys, regular nyong i-check yung mga support inbox nyo guys, o kaya yung page natin guys, baka may mga violation natin guys. Thank you so much guys.